Hey, what's going on, guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to make money with ClickBank. Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing great, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to make money with ClickBank. But more specifically, what I'm going to be focusing on is how to pick a product with ClickBank and how to understand the variables each product has. Before I get into this video, I just want to say if you guys are still unsure on what niche to promote when it comes to affiliate marketing, you can check the link in the description below for a free ebook download called Affiliate Marketing Ideas. So what this book helps you do is it helps you decide what niche to promote and which platforms you can promote your affiliate offers on. And if you guys are looking for my personal recommendation on how to make a full-time income online, I'm going to leave another link and you guys can check that out as well. I just want to welcome you guys to my channel, and I invite you guys to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, with that out of the way, let's just jump right into it. So let's assume you already picked a niche that you want to promote and you already created an account with ClickBank. If you haven't created an account with ClickBank yet, just go to create an account, fill out your information, and you're good to go. So before picking a product, I just want to give you guys some reminders on what to do before you pick a product. So what you need to do is brainstorm a specific niche, understand your customers. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, you should always be providing a solution to your target audience. So for example, if you're in the weight loss niche, you should be providing a solution to people who are trying to lose weight. You also need to choose a profitable product, and I'm going to explain the variables about the products in ClickBank later on in the video. You also need to have multiple products to promote. Now, I'm not recommending you guys promote any product that's any and all products that is related to your niche, but you're going to want to have a couple of options for your target audience. If you promote a product that your target audience doesn't like, you can always offer them another option. That's the way to make the most out of ClickBank through affiliate marketing. So now I'm going to be talking about understanding the variables. So all you have to do is go to the website, go to your niche category, and start looking at the products that are available. So for example, I'm going to choose the health and fitness niche. I'm going to look at the product called Flat Belly Fix. So the first thing I'm going to be talking about is the average dollar per sale. So this is going to be the commission that you make for recommending a one-time sale. But this number is also going to represent the amount for a product plus recurring billing. So for example, if the vendor of that product is offering monthly billing, which can be subscriptions, memberships, that's going to be the average dollar per sale. The next thing we're going to be looking at is the initial dollar per sale. So this is going to represent the amount that you make to sell each particular product. So a good rule of thumb that I have is to look for a product that has $30 or more. The next thing we're going to be looking at is the average percent of sale. So this is going to represent the average commission rate that is earned for all sales that you refer for specific vendors' products. These can include upsells, one-time offers, etc. So what I recommend is to go for a product that has at least 50%. The next thing we're going to be talking about is the average rebill total. So this is going to represent how much you make from rebuild sales if the vendor offers something like memberships or subscriptions. The next thing we're going to be talking about is the average percent of rebuild. So what this means is the average percent that product is purchased through recurring billing, such as subscriptions, memberships. So what I recommend is to go for something that is 30% or higher. Now finally, we're going to be talking about gravity. So what that is it's based off the number of affiliates who have made one or more sale with that particular product. So it basically represents how well that product is sold. So what I recommend for you guys is to look for something that has 12% or higher. I mean, All of these are not set in stone, but this is the best thing to go with when picking a profitable product on ClickBank. So once you have something that matches these standards, you can start promoting. So all you have to do is click on that product and hit the promote button. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna give you a specific affiliate link that you can start promoting anywhere. So you can use that link to promote in your blogs if you blog, or your YouTube videos, or Instagram, Facebook, or whatever you choose to promote. So with most products, vendors are gonna usually allow you to promote their products anytime. But some vendors are gonna have to pre-approve you before they allow you to promote their products. They wanna make sure that you have somewhat experience with affiliate marketing. They don't wanna just let any and everybody promote their products. They wanna have people who actually know what they're doing. So you might have to go to their website and sign up for their specific affiliate program. I mean, that's basically it for this video. And if you guys are interested in my personal recommendation on how to make a full-time income online, I'm gonna leave another link in the description and you guys can go check that out. I hope you guys got some value out of this video, and I hope you guys learned something. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you guys think. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.